Hey guys, welcome to a new video. I'm Philip Jacob and you're watching Metal Beings. On today's video, we're gonna see the third generation Honda City. So the car we are checking today is the third generation Honda City, and this is absolutely everyone's favorite Honda City, and it is my favorite too in all the generations which we see. And if you want to have a little bit of a history, the car came to the Indian market in 1998, and at that time it was another model, but it had a midlife facelift, and this is the one which came out in the year 2000, and later in the year 2001 the VTEC also came up. So this car is a 1.5 and it was a limited edition also. So let's go in detail of this car. So while checking the front, you have these sleek looking headlamps which are halogen, and you have these 3-slat grille with a chrome Honda logo in the middle. And you never used to get the fog lamps back then, but you could do it as an extra. And if you notice these bumpers, these are bumpers which are of 3 parts, so that is basically to reduce the cost. So they come in 3 parts and it is being assembled into one when it reaches the plant. And then while coming to the side, this what you see is an extra what is added by the present car owner, and he's tastefully done the 15-inch wheels on them, which actually gives a good stance to the car. And another additional thing is the extra body kit on this car. So this has also been added onto the car. It wasn't there previously, and it also suits the car very well. Going to the side, you have this chrome outlining for the windows and the blackened mirror caps, and again the side skirts also continue for this car, which was added. And this is the owner's name, Mr. Vinay Shetty. And again, while coming to the rear, you have another reflector which was added additionally on this car. While checking out the rear, there's a beautiful spoiler added on this car, and again the tail lamps, very simple design but still catchy. And again you get the body kit for the rear bumpers also. And again, if you notice the bumpers, again, can you find the split over here? So this was to reduce the import duty because it could be a CKD. And then again you get this lock output and an exhaust. So this is an aftermarket exhaust again. In some time I'll show you how it sounds. It was in this era where cars were actually very beautiful. This, the Baleno, another car which is one of my favorites, all have these beautiful designs and still give a big competition to the present cars also. They never look old. So now let's check out how the exhaust sounds. Isn't it sweet? And while checking out the interiors, you have these 4-spoke steering wheel, and you have a neat instrument cluster left hand side with the tacho and on the right hand side with the speedometer. You also get the fuel gauge and the temperature gauge, and he's added a tachometer again with a shifter all shown on it. Back in the time, the 3 vents for the AC was something cool which you could add. And you get the gearbox. Again, it's a 5-speed. He's added a stylish Sparco gear knob also. And then you have a glove box which is simple. And for the left hand side driver, you have this vanity mirror, whereas for the right hand side you don't have, because this guy concentrates only on driving. So the engine is a 1.5 liter engine, and As you know, Hondas are the most dependable engines. And again, you have this owner has added a stabilizer bar and aftermarket air filters as such. And also this engine was called as D15B, the 1.5 liter, and the other 1.3 liter was called the D13B. This is a very smooth and also a peppy engine, and that is the reason why this is one of the most favorite cars for the present youngsters and automobile enthusiasts. So let's go for a short spin and check how it still copes up with the present conditions. Right now we are checking the drive of the Honda City, and this car has done a little bit of modifications onto it. He's done the air filters, the headers as such, and a beautiful exhaust system also. It sounds really beautiful. So being such an old car, it's such a comfortable car to drive, and that's the one main reason that this car is still surviving in the market. Let's just push it a little bit. I hope that was audible for you guys. Such a smooth and sweet sound. So these are the Raj headers and the Raj exhaust system what is done on this car. And this car has driven almost like a lakh. The engine has driven almost like a lakh, and you never know that it's driven so much. It's still smooth, it's still fun to drive. You can say it by looking at the smile on the face. The car is also very comfortable. 4 people can sit very comfortably. You can have a wonderful long drive also if you want. It's not that it's just about the power and it's uncomfortable or anything as such. Back in the day, this was one among those which comes in the luxury segment. And at the moment, this is a car which is being adored by most of the youngsters and automobile enthusiasts. It still has the punch. This Honda engine is so smooth that you don't feel anything at all. It just wants to keep pulling and pulling and pulling. It revs almost at up to 7,000 RPM when you want to change the gears. All in all, such a wonderful car to drive. It has got the DNA even till date. So this car is from a very dear friend of mine. His name is Vinay Shetty. Hi Vinay.
Hi.
So tell me, how much have you spent on this car?
I have spent almost 4+ lakh
just on
now,
modifications
for complete restoration.
Okay, so he's repainted the car. He's done
completely restored.
Yes, he's restored the complete car. You can see it how the work is done on this car also. And how many years are you having this car?
From past 5 years I am owning this car.
5 years, okay. And even the present generation, there are so many people who still want this car, and many are not willing to sell it at all. So I really want to thank Vinay for letting me have his car and let me drive like a mad maniac. So thank you so much, Vinay.
Almost welcome.
Okay. So that's it from me, guys, on the 3rd generation Honda City. I hope you guys like the video. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel, because it really supports me and the channel's growth. I'll see you guys later with another car. Until then, goodbye.